ready.
Ready? Okay, babe. Look. Brianna.
Yeah.
So we bought us a new heater. It's so cold outside. We probably can't keep this downstairs very warm. So we got better homes and garden. It is a heater and a fan for the summertime. Also a humidifier, so that will be good for us. So we're gonna hook it up and see if we can keep some warmth down here.
Okay, can I do it?
You wanna help me?
And we have a centralized heater.
Yeah, we have centralized heat, but
it's not working because the weather is very
so
cold.
Yeah, it's not staying warm downstairs at all.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try this and see if this helps all our.
Yeah, we get a new one. We have a 2 heaters there.
There's one here, we have the small
The
one.
small one, but it's not enough.
It's way too
Not
cold.
here.
Yeah, it's still very cold here at living room.
It's so cold outside. We're not
So
able
it's
to.
not. Do you think, guys, cold weather is good? Nah.
Daddy, I will. Okay.
It's not. You will not enjoy.
Oh, my favorite.
Don't make me.
Favorite toy.
Open the bottom.
Bottom. Can't.
Okay.
Daddy will open for you. Don't scratch the spiral. Don't mess up. Because it's very cold outside. I cannot throw the trash outside. Where's Lucky?
I don't know.
Where's the kitty cat?
I'll play with this. Yeah.
I think you have to remove first all of the small heater there. Why do you take it off? It's protection.
I would not scratch it. What plastic?
Got a fan, humidifier, heater, oscillating so it rotates.
Yeah,
You can lock it up. Press
Timer.
3, and the timer too.
it's good.
It will kick off after 24 hours. It said. I read it. Let me see. Kick up the heater somehow.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know.
Everything is frozen inside. You have to use the remote. Open. It's warm now.
Yeah, it's warm pretty quick.
And there's a remote control.
You got a remote control for the heater, the fan, humidifier.
Rotate. It's very cold outside. Everything is freezing.
It's like less than 20 degrees, so it's